Today I'm going to be collecting cicada shells and painting them in a 60-second video, but there's going to have to be a part 2. It's summer, because it's 60 seconds. It's summer and it's really cold outside.
Spring.
So we didn't have any luck in the front, so we're going to go in the back. Okay, going. Some of the trees. Okay, so here's one. Come here. And on the plate. There's a bunch I'm gonna cut. Okay, now we're heading by the fence. One swing on the swing, then to the fence. One in the tree. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's a live cicada. Inside, going inside. Sorry, okay. Come back for part 2.